Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. Today, my topic is outdoor aquarium for your garden. An outdoor aquarium is a great way to add an eye catching and unique feature to your garden or backyard. It can provide a relaxing and calming atmosphere while also giving you the opportunity to observe fish and other aquatic creatures in their natural habitat. To create an outdoor aquarium, you will need to consider a few important factors. The number one is location. Choose a spot that relieves some shade during the day to prevent excessive growth and keep water temperature stable. It's also important to select a location that uh, is protected from extreme weather and condition such as strong wind and heavy rain. Size. The size of your aquarium will depend on the amount of space you have available and the number of fishes you plan to keep. A large aquarium will provide more room for fish to swim and can be easier to maintain, but it will also require more water and maintenance. Number third is materials. You'll need to choose materials that are suitable for outdoor use and can withstand exposure to sunlight and weather condition. Consider using recycling or fiberglass as they are durable. They are durable, lightweight, and resistant to crack or breaking. Number four is filtration. Proper